These are all headers that are pre-made in the Google Classroom headers resource. So all of these are ready to go. There's one for most subjects and just a couple ones that have some encouraging and kind messages. There is also a editable file that will take you to Google Slides in this resource. All of these are available, and then including a blank one that's already set up for you with the right size and stuff that you can put in your own background and fonts. These are editable where it says your text here. So you can just put in what you want there. I'm going to be adding a couple of backgrounds that don't include the welcome to, so you will have those as well. And then to add them to your Google Classroom, once you have it edited for what you want to say, you're going to go File, and you're going to go Download, and you're going to pick a JPEG or a PNG of just the current slide, and it'll take a second. So it downloaded it here. So this is now my downloads. So you could find it and move it somewhere in your files. But I'm just going to go to my Google Classroom, and I'm going to go upload photo, and I'm going to just drag it over here. And you just adjust the size. Sometimes it makes you click to make sure you size it right. And then select as class theme. Give it a second and it pops up. The one thing you can't change with Google Classroom is there's this overlay that makes your header darker. They've changed that to have that now because it makes the text on top show up better. So like the class code and your class name. Let me know if you have questions.